Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm BENIDORM Mad Mike. We do videos on Benidorm, around Benidorm, let you know what's going on. If you like the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Might be doing some different videos next week. I'm going to try and get the electric scooters out, and we'll try and see if we can fit the camera on there somehow. See if we can do some videos going along. I think we'll try it with my camera first. We don't want to break Marcus's one. I'm trying to get a new one anyway, so. Should work. We'll give it a go. Beautiful day again. Few people about. Still really quiet. I don't think we've been recognised for a while, have we, Marcus? Proves all you guys are not over there. Can't wait to see you back. Well, I've got the sender open. Not such a good live stream last night. We had
a few idiots on.
Yeah, a few idiots on there. A few bad comments. I think Sue caught them pretty quick, but
she just blocked them instead of reporting them.
it's not really why we're doing the live streams. But I think we're going to change that around a little bit. Give it a little bit more of a theme. Tiki Town was open the other day. I don't know whether they're just going to open weekends or what's going on. Or maybe just open at night, maybe. Burger King is, I think they're ready to reopen now. I don't know when they are going to actually reopen. They've been shut for refurbishment. Everybody seems to be refurbishing this year. I don't blame them, the kind of year they're having. Guys.
Hola.
Hola.
Incendiaron la cocina.
Tuve que salir.
Doesn't seem very busy along here today again. I don't know. I think it's the end, we'll get the middle of December now, so yeah.
Sort of end the season now, isn't it?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of guys starting the money up now for the Christmas. Going out over Christmas. Yeah, got a bit of money to spend. So we've got the Christmas shopping in. But maybe just the Christmas shopping's cost a bit more than I would have liked. Now they're a bit skinned. Still great weather here. This is one of the good things about Benidorm. It's usually fairly warm over Christmas. That's been the last couple of years. I think about 3 or 4 years ago we had a cold Christmas. There we go. Let's see how January goes this year. Last year it was quite stormy down here. Practically destroyed the beach down here. As you can see, it's warming up to get down on the beach sunbathing. Quite nice now. You can imagine it's in low 20s. And good sun. Before we moved over here, it's always what attracted us over here. Started becoming before Christmas, the week before Christmas. It was cheap one year and we got hooked. I think every Christmas since we've been over here. Okay guys, I'm going to leave the video here. Like and subscribe as normal, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.